Hi, in this video I will demo how to set up a single node Kubernetes cluster on our local host through Minikube. Okay, so the first step is install Minikube. And okay, so click installation, and there are some steps. The first one is before we start, we should install a hypervisor. For example, if you are Mac OS, and you can use VirtualBox, VMware Fusion, or HyperKit. If you are Linux, you can use VirtualBox or KVM. If you are Windows, you can use VirtualBox or Hyper-V. Because my system is Mac OS, so what I'm choosing is VirtualBox. Okay, so this is the hypervisor. And the second step is install kubectl. And we can click this link and open this page and install kubectl. And so, for example, you can choose the system, and because I'm Mac OS, and I can use Homebrew to install kubectl, but I think I can also try to download the binary version. For example, here install kubectl binary using core. And for Mac OS, Linux, and Windows, for example, Mac OS, and let's copy this line, and in the terminal, okay, let's try another one. So this core will download the latest stable version, and you can see here this link. Let's open this link, and it will give us the latest stable version. For example, here is 1.11.2, and we can use this one to replace our core. This place, we just point out the version number here. Okay, and let's try again. Yeah, it works. And this will download kubectl. And after finished, we can follow these 2-3 steps and change this binary into executable. And also we can move this binary file into our system path. And let's do it. Okay, so change and sudo password. Okay, now we can use kubectl version, and it will print out the client version is 1.11.2. And please pay attention, because I have another server installed, so here it will print out the server version. If you don't have a server already, maybe there will be a connection error, something like that. But if you have this client version print out, so everything is okay. So this is the second step to install kubectl. And the third step is install Minikube. And we can click this link to open this page. And we will download the latest version. For now is 0.28.2. And let's choose the version for Mac OS. Let's choose Linux. Okay, Starren. Okay, this one. Let's let's download this file. And after finished download, we can, to change the file's name and change to, executable and move the Minikube to our system path, just like kubectl. And it almost finished. Let's wait 10 seconds. Okay, now let's change it into, actually it's in my download folder, and the name is Minikube. Okay, and let's move this file, download Minikube into our user local bin, and we will rename it to Minikube, and please add sudo here. And now we can use Minikube version. Yeah, it's 0.28.2. Now our Minikube is installed on our system. Okay, so the installation is finished. Now we can use Minikube to create our Kubernetes cluster. We can use Minikube start to create our Kubernetes cluster, and for my machine it return an error, means getting state for host machine does not exist. Okay, the reason is because I installed Minikube before and used Minikube to create a Kubernetes cluster, but I haven't used Minikube. Minikube, I think is Minikube stop and delete. Okay, I haven't used Minikube delete to delete my Minikube virtual machine. I just use VirtualBox. I delete the Linux, the Minikube machine directly from VirtualBox. So that is not right. If you want to delete the cluster, please use Minikube delete. Okay, so for my case, I should remove the file in my user folder. Its name is Minikube. Okay, and after that, I can use Minikube start to create a new Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so that will take some time. Let's pause our video and come back later. Okay, now our Kubernetes cluster is created, and we can use Minikube status to check our cluster and it's running. And we can use kubectl get pod, and you can see no resources found. If you use Minikube, kubectl get pod and all namespaces, you will see there are some pods here. Okay, and another thing is you can use Minikube dashboard. Actually is Minikube, and let's help, and there's command dashboard. Okay, so you can use Minikube dashboard, and it will open the browser. Sorry, it's another window here. It will open a browser and it's Kubernetes dashboard. Okay, so for now, your Kubernetes installation is successful, and this is the basic usage about Minikube. It's very, very simple to create a single node Kubernetes cluster for learning or testing locally on your machine. Okay, thanks.